Because she's been a good girl. That's her treat.
Adult milk.
Drink your milk. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today this is just a vlog wherein we will show you how to properly bathe your cats. I know, some people like cats, some people like dogs. So for me and for my husband, we do have 2 cats, and you know, coming from the Philippines, we rarely or we don't actually give cats a bath because we think that since they're already cleaning themselves, it's okay. But here in the US, me and my husband, we actually give them bath every now and then because we think proper hygiene is very important, not only for us humans but also for our pets. So we do have a DIY cat shampoo that we usually use for our cats. So we do DIYs because we think that, you know, it's less chemicals instead of just buying the store-bought shampoos for pets. So for our DIY shampoo, we only used vinegar and water and gone. My husband already filled up the bathtub with warm water. Always warm water. Always warm water because we don't want to freak them out with the water temperature. So.
Mama's the most brave one out here. She gets in the bathtub, rolls her pants up, and gets ready to wash the cats. Okay. It's not easy to give a cat a bath, but it's possible. It's about the environment, really. And you have another cat who's doing everything she can to get the hell out.
Come on, come here. Come here.
I know. She just doesn't let me hold her this long.
Because she doesn't want to come in.
Let's go look. Ready? You ready?
Come on, Willow.
I gotta get a different position. I know.
Good girl. Who's a good girl? I know. See, those lines right. Put your paws on. See? It's not so bad.
Warm water helps. I see people try to get a cat in cold water, and it's like, the cat, if you're trying to fight a cat, the cat will win. Unless you're gonna overpower it, but I don't want to do that.
See, it's not so bad, baby. Our shampoo.
Don't get it too much near her. That's really strong. Oh. Okay, we're gonna be done soon.
It's okay, let her like that.
Careful, she's gonna.
Okay, now do it.
Oh. Here, let's just. Oh. Here, it's gonna be cool. Warmer in the water. I know.
No fighting.
No fighting. Good girl. How is it? Nice, right?
It's a kitty bath with love. Oh, she's really shivering now.
I know. Dry her off.
I notice you don't like this part. I think she dislikes the drying part more than she likes the bath. I know.
Good girl. Momo, you're next. Just trying to dig. The joys of fatherhood.
I know. Taking care of cats is like different than dogs. They both have their unique ways to take care of them. I'm sorry, but you had to get your butt wiped. Try.
Make sure you wipe off her butt.
I know. Okay. One at a time. Oh my goodness. Did she get clean? What do you want to watch? Okay.
You wanna watch, Willow? You wanna watch your sister? Ta-da!
It'd be so nice to clean. She gets like so this like kind of really thick. And you can like dump water on her and still find dry through it. I don't know. You're used to this. I think she actually kind of likes it.
Time to untangle your... Oh, baby.
Oh, there's this cookie pie. Well, come see. The thing is, when we bathe him, we don't see him for a long time. Squirrel probably is okay just a little bit.
Baby, can you show me her belly? Baby, show me her belly so I can put you. And wipe your butt. Okay, well, this part.
She's right here, look at that. Oh no, you were very well behaved, Katie. Oh, that's really good.
Yep.
Oh, I know. A lot of times she'll just sit. She's so used to it. In her first bath, she didn't really have a problem with. She just kind of sat there.
Let me see her neck. I love.
I'm sure if you have her whole head, I don't want to dip her in it. Maybe we can get some clean water and dump it over her ears.
Very state.
Joe is a long-haired cat.
You ready? The joys are having a cat.
Come on. Don't try to jump. No. Come here.
Come there.
Don't. No.
She's planning it.
Come on. Over here.
Come on, Mama.
I'm gonna help you. Come on.
Come on.
Daddy, what are you doing? Okay, you ready?
Holy poo poo. Hi.
I know you don't mind the blade. She just said, keep me warm, Mama. Mama.
Mama, you okay, Mama? She's like, let me out. Hello. No, she's gonna meow if she's going to poop. She just wanna open the door. Hello. Is Momo already dry?
She's okay. Trying to get her as dry as possible so she doesn't lick all the hair off herself and then puke it up.
I know, baby. Almost there. No, just like, let me out.
Well, it's just over it.
Yeah. Like, when are you gonna let me out?
This is no surprise to any of you.
You know, we always do this once a month. Sometimes once every 2 months.
I know.
Don't forget her tail, baby. Because they're gonna pee and poop after, you know that.
Alright, we get the one last dry.
I know, baby.
I know.
And that's how you give them a bath. It's a struggle. Time to eat food. Good job, Dad.
Thank you, Mama.
Okay, so that's all for today, guys. So hopefully you like this vlog. And please don't forget to like and share and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you would like to be notified every time you upload a new vlog. So till next time, guys.
Bye.
Bye.